If you're into woodworking and carpentry, having the best wood router for the kind of work you do is a core part of your tool set. Whether you're working on site on a remodel, you're building your own jigs for production work in your shop, or you're an aspiring dyer, our team of experts rounded up their favorites to help you sort out the right model for the work you do. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best wood router from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Festool router of 1400 EQF+. When it comes to selecting the finest wood router, there isn't a universal solution. Yet our aim was to identify one that could cater to the widest range of users while delivering top-notch performance, features, and ergonomic design. In this pursuit, the Festool of 1400 EQF+ stands out as our preferred choice if we were restricted to just one option. Its handle design sets it apart, featuring a unique combination of a pommel on one side and a trigger handle on the other. Despite its unconventional appearance, Festool's expertise in ergonomics ensures optimal functionality. With a 1400-watt motor and a seamless plunging mechanism offering micro-depth adjustments down to 1 256 inch, coupled with excellent visibility, this router excels. Additionally, the cord insertion design on the handle ensures it remains out of the way, while its superb dust collection system further enhances its appeal. Number 2. Bosch 2.25 HP FixedBased. If the Festool router exceeds your budget constraints, Bosch's 2.25 HP router combo presents itself as a popular alternative, valued for its durable construction and affordability. Equipped with a 12-amp motor capable of reaching speeds of 25,000 RPM, this kit, priced under $200, includes both fixed and plunge bases. Among the various motors in the 1617 series, the wooden handles stand out for their tactile feel and aesthetic appeal. However, it's worth noting a potential drawback: the switch position may become obstructed by sawdust when used with certain router tables, necessitating occasional clearing. Consequently, if you intend for your router to primarily reside on a router table, you might want to explore alternative options. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1 2-inch router 2838. In our quest for the best cordless plunge wood router, our aim was to find a model that offered no compromises compared to its corded counterparts in terms of performance. Our sole requirement was to enjoy the freedom from cords while retaining all the benefits of corded models, albeit with limited runtime. Currently, the competition primarily revolves around Metabo HPT and Milwaukee, each with fervent supporters. Milwaukee emerges as the frontrunner owing to its superior performance and deeper plunge capacity. Moreover, we appreciate Milwaukee's kit offering, which includes both fixed and plunge bases to facilitate a seamless start. However, the versatility of Metabo HPT, capable of operating corded or cordless, presents a compelling alternative, particularly considering its lower price point for the bare tool. Number 4. Skill 14-amp fixed-based plunge-based router combo RT1322200A. In our pursuit of the best value wood router, our objective was to identify a model that delivered professional-grade construction and performance at a considerably lower price compared to premium alternatives. While there are commendable cordless options available, the corded category often offers greater value for money without the added concern of battery costs. Among the array of options, the Skill 14-amp router combo stands out. With its 14-amp variable speed motor generating ample power at 2.5 HP, it seamlessly integrates with a router table also available from Skill. The inclusion of fixed and plunge bases in the combo further enhances its value proposition, particularly given its affordable $149 price tag. Number 5. Masterforce 1.25 HP Compact Router ERM106. For novices entering the realm of woodworking, we strongly recommend commencing with the corded router to familiarize oneself with the craft. Opting for a palm router initially can also aid in grasping the basics, given its smaller size and easier handling. However, it was crucial for us to avoid compromising on power despite selecting a smaller tool. As one progresses in skill level and considers transitioning to a larger router, the chosen palm router should continue to deliver satisfactory results until an upgrade is warranted. While there are several quality options available for under $100, Masterforce offers the most comprehensive package we encountered, making it an ideal starting point for beginners. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.